This video walks you through a wireframe of an asset that we are currently developing called Graph Builder. This asset lives inside of your e-reader and takes the place of a particular figure in your book. Upon reaching the asset, you will see this navigation menu on the right where you can choose from seeing a static graph, seeing the graph built up step by step, or building the graph yourself. The static graph looks exactly like what you would expect in your book. From there, the student can decide that they want to see this graph being built up step by step. This is known as the progression graph. From here, the student can navigate along the bottom using the squares or the arrows on the side to move sequentially, seeing the header text being built and the graph being drawn. Once the student feels that he has mastered this particular graph, he can then navigate to the Build Graph Yourself bucket. Here, the student will see a scenario similar to, but not identical to, that in the book. They are then given a freehand drawing tool where they have to sketch the graph using a pencil, a dot, or a paint can, text direction, and some basic editing functionality. Once they think that they have gotten this correct, they can click the Show Correct Graph button where they will see a side-by-side layout of the graph that they completed against the correct answer graph. From here, they have to self-reflect and determine, did I get this right? And if they didn't, they can click the Full Explanation button for an overlay providing additional remediation. Then they can decide to either try again and clear the graph, or they can say, okay, I got it, and move on to their next activity.